Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Naruto だってばよ。影分身の術。